What's good, YouTube and Underground family? It's your boy Nugget back again with another video for you guys. And today we have a very special video. Today we have an unboxing of the Fast and the Furious set. I've been wanting to unbox this for a little while now. I've been customizing Hot Wheels on anybody that's been following us for a little bit now. Has been seeing some of the pictures we've been posting if you follow our posts, and we've been customizing a couple here and there from the Nissan set. I'm doing some more in-depth customizing on a few different ones, changing the paint colors, changing the stands, changing the rims. We'll be coming out with a video on us doing that soon, but in the meantime, let's get into this unboxing. It's got a damage here in the front, so I don't think we need to be super gentle. I just don't want to damage the paint, so I'm gonna go ahead and just finish mangling this thing, I guess. Like, jeez. Of course it wants to fight me. I guess not that way. Jeez. Maybe come forward with it. Oh man. Oh, there we go. It started peeling. Okay, see if we can carefully get these out. The plastic in some of these cases scratches the windshields and stuff. Okay, which one is this one? This is the, oh no! This is the Chevelle SS, the 1970 Chevelle SS. Okay. Alright. Wow. It's got some heft to it. Let's see, you guys can see the seats inside. Okay. Definitely Chevelle got that booty. Wow. Okay. And set that there. Oh man, the Mustang. The 67 custom Mustang. Dang, look at that paint. I don't know if you guys are picking that up, but wow, that paint is something else. They really did a good job on this casting. I like it. That paint, they killed it. They knew people were going to be excited about this one. I just wish they would do something with these tail lights and the tag. Matchbox is definitely kind of killing it when it comes to that detail on these. Like, same with the headlights. It would just take a dot of paint. Come on, Hot Wheels. You knew people were going to be excited about this set, and you're going to do that? Come on, bro. Like, they should have gave the contract of Matchbox. Which one is this one? This is the Aston Martin 1963 DBS. Okay. So this is the Aston Martin DBS. Alright. Yeah, I like it. DBS. There it is. Look, tail lights. Look at that. Was that so freaking hard, you guys? Jeez. And headlights, man. See, this one's got it. I don't know why they wouldn't do that for the Mustang. And they know it's an icon. It's pretty frustrating. Okay. Now here we go with two of the best cars in the set. Like the two that everybody's been waiting for. We have Dom's Dodge Charger RT. Dom's Dodge Charger. Everybody remembers this from the Fast and the Furious movie at the end of the video when it did the burnout wheelie, which was absolutely ridiculous, and the first tell that the next movie and every continuing movie after that was just gonna be over the top. Yeah, this thing is iconic. It's just legend now. Definitely hit legend status. Man, I love it. It'll be forever expensive because of the movie. And now, the best car out of the whole set, in my personal opinion, the Toyota Supra. Man, look, like what it looks like without any lights or anything. It just looks so bare. Oh man, so they get the livery on the side. They got that at least. They got headlights, but they couldn't be bothered to put taillights. Wow, Hot Wheels. Y'all, man, y'all whack, bro. I can't believe you. Like, and then, you know what's weird is, let me see what they did with this other Supra. Like, where did I put it? They made a Supra with the livery of the R30, what is it, the R34 or the R32, whatever. And the freaking, they put taillights on this one and the Toyota symbol, but they put the livery on the wrong car. I mean, this is a premium, okay? So I expect a little bit more detail and stuff. Like, it has the real rider tires and whatever. But like, I don't understand what it is. It's not even like 10 cents worth of paint. But that's enough of my rant. I'm still happy with the casting. I'll customize it, finish Hot Wheels job for him. Post some pictures for you guys. But until next time, I really hope you enjoyed this one. We have some car meet videos up right now. They were pretty exciting. A couple Lamborghinis took over the meet during the exit, and they were shooting fire. Everybody was really excited. And basically a rich guy takeover. It was pretty cool. But if you like any kind of car content, which if you're watching this on some level, I'm pretty sure you are, go ahead and check that out if you're bored. But until next time, stay safe out there. I hope you find a treasure hunt. Later, guys. Peace.